So if you have categorical variables, you can use a pie chart. We have a small table here that is containing type and cells. We can create a pie from this table. So what we need to do is highlight the whole table, Alt F1, you may get something like this. This is a column chart. Of course, we never needed a column chart, so go to change chart type. Then you choose a pie. You got the list of all the charts available in Excel. So choose a pie. You got a pie, then okay. Then you can see the list of pie charts that are available. You can probably choose one that you think is good enough. So like I've chosen that. So this is how you interpret the pie. The pie will have the data representation in form of percentage. So if the proportion of data represented is big enough, the segment is also going to be big. Like if you look at the size of this, the low fat and the regular, you can see low fat is bigger because the segment is big. For the regular, it's smaller because it is only 33%. That is how you interpret a pie chart.